Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today we have a special collaboration and it's called Keep It Simple Sunday, and it's a monthly collab, and that's hosted by Melissa Makes It DIY. So now the co-host is called the Stitching Witch. So I'm going to be linking the host and the co-host down below in the description box along with their channel links. I'm also going to be linking the playlist, so make sure and full watch the videos, subscribe to our channels, and then head on over to that playlist to see what everybody created on Keep It Simple Sunday. Remember that all the items that I'm using to create this craft are mostly from the Dollar Tree. Okay, so let's jump into this video so I can tell you what we're doing. I grabbed one of the little truffle bowls that they had in the party section. I call it the silver area. And then I grabbed a couple of bags of these rose petals. I grabbed these in the lavender color because this is a color they don't normally carry. What we want to do is loosen up those rose petals because they do come like stuck together. Once we do that, we're going to go lining, starting from the bottom and working our way to the top. We're going to line those rose petals all the way up in rows. So this is going to take a little bit of time, guys. So you might want to put the TV on, listen to some music, and just take your time when doing this because the outcome is absolutely gorgeous. So if this is your first time visiting my channel, I want to say welcome. I hope that you like my video. I hope that you stay and subscribe. And for all you oldies and goodies that have been with me for a while, or even from the very beginning, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. Did you know that when you click the like button, you help us YouTube creators to grow? And so guys, I really need you to click that like button. And also, did you know that subscribing to the channel is totally free? Some people have asked me this question, and so I'm just saying it is totally free. And please comment below because I would love to hear from you. Okay, so let's jump back into the video here. So this is coming out beautiful. Like I said, it's a gorgeous piece and it's very versatile. You can use it at any event or any area of your home. It's very beautiful. Now I'm using the purple rose petals because those were harder to find. So I grabbed that color, but I did do a previous video where those were done in white, and both of them are stunning. Now, just so you know, when you get to the top of this truffle dish, which is what it is, I lined it with some pearls because I wanted to give it a finished look. And I'm using a floral foam to place on the inside of it, and then we're going to go ahead and start lining our flowers. So remember, you can use any flower that you'd like in any color that you'd like, and then start arranging them in a circular motion. Okay, so this came out gorgeous. Let's head on over to the reveal, guys. Now, I do want to take a moment and thank the host and the co-host for hosting this collaboration. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. So if you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys.